I would say think tank is an institute where uh, researchers actually uh, discuss or look at the issues which concerns socio-political context of the country, look at those issues and do research and give some suggestions on that. So this is how I would define think tank. There are many challenges if you are heading an institute as an executive director. One of the biggest challenges is the funding. You need to create funding so that you can sustain the organization, look at the needs of the employees, and also look at the issues. One has to keep doing research on the issues, whether it is uh, to do research on issues which concerns the common man or common issues of the country. One of the big advantage of the TTI funding has been that it has helped in sustainability with regard to funding, sustainability with regard to doing research in new themes for which we wanted to do research, but we have not been able to do that as a think tank because there was no funding available. In order to attract many young researchers, young promising researchers whom we have not been able to engage because of lack of funding. So think tank TTI funding has been helpful in this regard.